开始了吗 ？Hello everyone, here is our EC551 final project, fluorescence microscope. Our group name is Glimmer. Here we show you the video of the demo. The first thing we show you is the input data. One can clearly see there is two different kind of material. Right, and after the operation of FPGA through the SD card and also signal processing Verilog code and also the HDMI, here is our output image. We use two different kinds of color, pseudo color, green and red, to represent two different material, and also the black range here shows it is not either the red material or the green material. And now we will show you the second input. And here is the output of our data. Yeah, one can clearly see we have different two type of color, represent two different material, and the black part here means there is no material here. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Energy